Toolbox Talk 007, Plant and Equipment. So this talk provides information of your obligation to cooperate safely with the company, be aware of your surroundings and understand the safety rules when operating plant equipment. The term plant refers to any type of machinery, equipment and apparatus used for industrial activity. The law in respect to this is again in the Health and Safety at Work Act, where an employer's responsibilities are laid out. Employers must check the machines are well maintained and fit for purpose, i.e. appropriate for the job and working properly, and that all the safety measures are in place: guards, isolators, locking mechanisms, emergency off switches, etc. The employer must make sure operators are wearing the appropriate protective clothing and equipment required for that machine, such as safety glasses, hearing protection, safety shoes, etc. The employer must provide adequate training to ensure those using the machines are competent and to use it safely. This includes ensuring that they have the correct skills, knowledge and experience. Sometimes formal qualifications may be needed. Also, the managers and supervisors must also be trained and competent to be effective. The employee must only operate plant or equipment if you have received the relevant training. The employer must use the machine properly and in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. They must ensure the work area around the machine is kept clean and tidy, free from obstructions or slips and trips, hazards, and are well lit. If machines are controlled by programmable electronic systems, changes to any program should be carried out by a competent person, someone who has the necessary skills, knowledge and experience to carry out that work safely. Where applicable, hold the relevant license or certificate to operate that particular plant, and the employer must complete and record pre-op checks before operating the forklift. Use fitted safety equipment, i.e. safety belts, when operating the forklift. An employee must report all defects to your manager or supervisor, and must always operate plant and equipment within operating limits. They must place all equipment in the correct place when not in use, and allow components that operate at high temperatures time to cool. The employees must not let unauthorised, unqualified or untrained people use machinery. Some workers, for example new starters, young people, may be particularly at risk and need instruction, training and supervision. Employees must not use any work equipment for which you've not received appropriate information, instruction and training. The employees must not use defective equipment and use plant or equipment for something other than the purpose it was intended. The employees must not attempt to make unauthorised repairs, must not interfere with safety devices, and must not attempt to alter the plant or equipment in any way. They must not leave plant or equipment to cause obstructions or in a dangerous condition. And that's it for plant and equipment. Thank you.